My name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality do follow and the article submission backlink, do follow profile and the article submission backlink. So the website name is plaza.rook10.co.jp. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. Before that, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 93 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 94 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 6.2 million monthly traffic and mostly traffic from Japan, USA, Vietnam, Taiwan, India and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So simply you can click on the Rook10 membership registration free. And I have already created account, but I can show you how you guys will create. So you can see there is create a new Rakuten account free. So you can click on this. And there you guys will fill your all details like your email address, then you can refill your email, then you guys will add your username. If you wanting to customize your username, so you can uncheck this box, and after that you can add your password and you can add your name, your gender and your date of birth, and after that you can click on the continue to confirmation page. So once you guys will complete these things, so then you guys are able to access this website dashboard. So I have already created, so I can go to login through my details. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And after that you can redirect on that interface. So simply you can click on this edit a change image button. So you guys will update your logo and you can choose your category. So there is no any category related to for recruitment industry. So let me ignore. And after that, there you guys will add your blog title, your website title. So this is the main keyword what we are targeting. So top interview management system job ma, and there we can add short description. So I can go to copy the description throughout my website because they will accept under 240 characters. So you can add, then after that you can click on the save the settings. So you can see your all details have saved, and after that again you can click on the manage and the setting button, and you will see there is a general blog setting. You can click on this, and if you haven't checked this box, so you can check this box. I will let you know what is this. So basically this is a monetization platform. So if you select automatically install, advertisement will be automatically installed in your blog article and you will receive Rock10 points according to the number of times the installed advertisements are viewed. So this is basically this is a earning setting. So you can check. If you guys are publishing article, so this is the chances if you are getting traffic, so you can earn something from this website. And this is the affiliate result. So whatever you earned, you can see from there. And the access point, so from where you guys have created account, and what is your analytics. And if you wanting to upload any images, so you can see there I have uploaded one image, So simply you can click on the upload an image and you can choose your image, and you guys are able to easily publish your image on this site. So this image I wanting to publish, so after that you can click on this button and you are able to publish your images on this site. You can see if you wanting, so you can check this box and you can add your in your article. Okay, so we have completed these things. So after that, now the time is to we can publish any article on this site. So simply you can click on the write a diary, and from there you guys are able to create your article backlink on this site. So I have generated content, fresh content, so I can want to publish the article on this site. Screening can streamline the hiring process. So I can want to publish this article. So this is the article title, and I can paste it over there, and you can choose your category. So category is background screening. Background screening, so this is the my category, and I can choose this one. So your category is selected, and now the time is to we can publish our article. So simply you can start adding your content, and I made some mistakes, so let me so you can optimize your all details. So suppose that if you're adding any heading, so you can customize your heading tags. So font size H2, H3. So this is your heading formatting, and after that you can add your content. So I can copy my all content because this is HTML editable section. So you guys will paste your content directly on this website. And once you guys will add your content, so now the time is to you can optimize your heading. So this is your heading, and you can optimize your heading tags with these option, and also you can add, if you wanting, so you can add colors on this. Okay, and if you wanting to insert any hyperlink in your targeted keyword, so simply you can select your keyword, and there is a hyperlink button, and you can add your website URL over there, and you guys are able to insert your hyperlink. And if you wanting to insert any images on this, so you can see there is a image button, and you are able to upload your images on this site. So background screening is this, so I have already added, so this is the image. Yeah, so image is added and the content is properly optimized. And if you wanting to change any theme, so you can, and after that you can click on the publish button. You have forget to set up your blog ads, automatically place blog ads at the top. So yeah, okay, and after that you can click on the publish button. There are 3 input errors. So link is 16 disallowed, attribute. Okay, so while the publishing we can optimize our content, because there we have added multiple URLs, so that's why these things are happened. I can show you in the another account. So there I have published an article, so you can see this is the article what I have recently published. So if you can click on this, and you will see this is the article what I have published. So you can see there, I can show you there I have added one hyperlink, second, and I just published. So make sure if you guys are publishing any article on this site, so you can add a 1 to 2 hyperlink in your content, then after that you can publish, then you guys are able to publish. So you can see that's why I got this error message. Link 16 is disallowed, attribute use tag lip. So why the account are not published? Yeah, so content is still there, so I can remove. First you can arrange your article, so that's why these things are happening, because I pasted directly from my textbook, so that's why this showing error. Let me again do this. Yeah, the thing is still happening. Maintain notes. So you can add your content manually on this site, then you can publish. I think this would be the great for you. So you can add your content manually. So I can show you in this content. I can remove all content, and let me try, because this is not properly arranged. Let me try to publish this one. Yeah, you can see our article is published. So you can add a manually content you can add your content manually on this site, then after that you are able to publish your article on this site. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, and I can show you, this is a no follow backlink. So you can see this is a 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So this is a high quality article submission backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.